it's Amy. Look what I made.
My friends are coming. I'm hosting a dinner party.
My friends couldn't decide what to eat tonight.
So I pick an egg to decide what to eat. I got donut. Then I decide to make this chocolate cream-filled donut. Deep frying chocolate donut dough. And the creamy chocolate pastry cream.
Now I'm going to make the chocolate pastry cream. Here I have milk, sugar, butter, 2 eggs, heavy cream, salt, most important ingredients, cocoa powder, and dark chocolate. I'm using 55% chocolate. Oh no, I almost forgot cornstarch.
First, crack in 2 eggs. Add sugar and cornstarch. Start mixing right away after the sugar and cornstarch added. Keep whisking until incorporate. Heat the milk and second part of sugar. The milk is simmering. Pour half of the hot milk into the egg mixture. Temper the egg mixture. Strain egg milk mixture back into the milk. Start keep whisking. Whisk it fast and fast and fast until like a paste. It's a pastry cream. The consistency looks like a custard. Add the chocolate. Let it completely melt in the pastry cream. Then add cocoa powder, salt and butter, heavy cream, everything is incorporated, looks good. Leave in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours.
I'm going to make the chocolate donut dough. Here I have flour, it's bread flour, egg and egg yolk, sugar, butter, cocoa powder, instant yeast, milk. I left the milk in the freezer in advance. I also left the mixing bowl in the freezer in advance so the dough won't be so hot.
Add all the ingredients in the mixing bowl beside instant yeast and butter. I'm using a dough hook mixing the dough. Right now it looks very messy, but trust me, it will become very smooth and beautiful dough. Add the instant yeast now. Keep mixing. Be patient here. It will take about 10 minutes. It's time to add the butter. I make sure the dough and butter incorporate very well. Almost there.
Now the dough is ready. Let's do the window check. I think that's good. I'm going to have the first proof. The dough looks shiny and smooth.
Proof about 40 minutes. Alright, it's been 40 minutes.
Look, the first proof is ready.
I'm pressing the dough so air bubble will be out. Now I'm dividing the dough. And rolling each dough. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Press the dough again. I'm making a shape of round. Put the dough on parchment paper.
It's ready for the second proof.
It's been another 40 minutes.
Second proof is ready. Time to fry. Look, jiggling.
Fry until internal temperature until 190 degrees. All done. Let it cool before we fill the cream.
It's time to fill the donut. Let me taste the pastry cream now. Wow, it's kind of salty. I add too much salt, maybe. Let me adjust with some sugar syrup. Don't tell them.
Sugar syrup. Now it looks good to me. Let's fill it. All the donuts have been filled and I'm dusting cocoa powder on top of it. Decorating with some extra cream on top. Wow, it looks beautiful and delicious. Oh, my friends are here. I gotta go. I will make more recipes like this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.